If you've been losing money in trading, I want you to stop for a moment and hear this. You're not failing. You're not bad at trading, and you're definitely not alone. Most beginners are taught to look in the wrong place from the very start, and that one mistake quietly destroys accounts, confidence, and years of progress. I know because I made it myself. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the one chart that completely changed how I trade, and how it can help you start protecting your money today. Like most beginners, I believe success came from finding the perfect entry or predicting the next big move. I thought better timing would fix everything, but over time I learned something that changed how I see the market forever. The most important decision happens before the trade even begins, deciding whether a stock deserves your money at all. Professional traders check one thing first. Beginners usually skip this step, and that one difference explains most trading losses. You're not unlucky. You're not broken. You've just never been shown where to start, and that's what we will be fixing today. Before we go further, stay with me, because what I'm about to show you is something most beginner traders never learn. Once you see it, you'll never open a chart the same way again. Most beginners open a chart and immediately zoom in on the daily candles. Every small move feels urgent. Green candles create excitement. Red candles create fear. Your mind goes into reaction mode and suddenly you feel pressure to act. I remember that feeling. The stress, the constant watching, the fear of missing out. I thought more action meant more progress. It didn't. It only created confusion, emotional decisions, and unnecessary losses. That emotional pressure pulls traders into stocks that never had a real chance. Eventually, I realized something important. The real problem wasn't the market, it was where I was starting. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed, confused, or stuck watching charts all day, this next part is exactly what changes that. This is where trading starts becoming calm instead of stressful. The chart whisperer approach is different. We don't chase movement, we don't react to noise. We slow down and listen to what price is telling us. And listening always begins the same way, by zooming out. That's why we start with the 5-year chart. Not because it's complicated, but because it gives you something most traders never develop. Perspective. The 5-year chart answers the most important question in trading. Is this stock truly moving upward over time, or is it slowly breaking down? When you step back and see the bigger picture, something powerful happens. The urgency fades. The noise gets quieter. The emotional pressure begins to disappear. You stop reacting and you start seeing clearly. This one shift alone can save traders thousands of dollars because it keeps you out of weak stocks before serious damage happens. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tell, in seconds, whether a stock deserves your money or not. And that one skill alone can protect your account for years. Here's something many traders misunderstand. A stock dropping does not automatically mean it's bad. Even strong stocks pull back. That's normal behavior. What matters is what happens after the drop. Healthy stocks recover. They find support. They rebuild strength. They reclaim important price levels. That behavior shows real demand. But when a stock falls and stays down for years without recovering, that's not opportunity, that's information. The market is telling you something is wrong. One of the most expensive habits in trading is arguing with what price is clearly showing you. I had to learn that lesson the hard way. This leads to a simple rule that protects your account. If the big picture is broken, the small picture doesn't matter. A daily chart may look exciting with big candles, strong volume, and dramatic moves, but that short-term action may be sitting on top of years of weakness. Many traders mistake activity for strength. I did too. And that mistake costs money. This is what separates beginners from consistent traders. Chart whisperer traders look at structure first. Structure simply means the stock is making higher highs and higher lows over time. Higher highs show progress, higher lows show support. That pattern shows real strength. But when a stock makes lower lows year after year, price is warning you to be cautious or to walk away. Protecting your capital always comes first. Trading is not about speed. It's not about reacting faster than everyone else. Speed creates pressure, and pressure leads to mistakes. What successful traders seek is clarity. The 5-year chart shows direction. The 1-year chart shows behavior. how a stock responds when tested and whether it recovers or breaks down. We are not predicting the future. We are reading what price has already proven. Now I'm going to show you the exact process I use so you can apply this immediately. No guessing, no complexity, just a clear filter that protects your money. Every time you open a chart, start with the 5-year view and ask if the overall direction is up. Next, check for structure by looking for higher highs and higher lows. Then switch to the 1-year chart and observe how the stock behaves during pullbacks. Does it recover or does weakness continue? Finally, mark the major price levels where the stock has turned before. These simple steps remove confusion and replace emotion with clarity, and trading becomes much calmer when you have clarity. The good news is this process is much simpler than most people think. You don't need dozens of indicators. You don't need complex systems. You just need a clear filter that protects your capital and keeps you out of low probability trades. There's also something many traders struggle to accept at first. Most days, the best decision is to do nothing. I know how uncomfortable that feels. I struggled with it too. But forcing trades in weak stocks damages both your account and your confidence. Patience is not passive. Patience is protection. This lesson took me years to learn, and it completely changed how I trade. I stopped chasing movement. I stopped forcing trades. I started filtering first. Trading became calmer, clearer, and more consistent. And that's why Chart Whisperer exists. We protect capital first. We follow evidence, not emotion. We trade with structure so we can stay calm in any market. Survival comes first. Confidence comes next. Consistency comes after that. If you want to trade with clarity instead of confusion and structure instead of emotion, you're in the right place. At Chart Whisperer, we help beginner traders protect their capital, build discipline, and stay consistent in any market. If you're ready to stop guessing, stop chasing, and start trading with a clear plan, subscribe to Chart Whisperer now. Learn how to protect your money, trust the bigger picture, and trade with calm confidence, one rule at a time. Stay patient, stay disciplined, protect your capital. That is the Chart Whisperer way.